mom. She doesn't play soccer.
You're in the right position, Pinky.
I know.
You're in the right position.
It happens. Abby, you want to grab the ball for us?
No, Kayla.
Hey, let's go.
Go there. Go. Nice one, Jeannie.
Good, Ginny. Yeah, back to yourself.
You can take the shot or go, Lucy. Oh my God.
Piqui.
Oh, sí, María.
Defensa. Oh, buena. Aquí, María. Aquí.
Oh my God, I'm so slow. Slow reaction.
Archie, Marisol. Archie. Oh, nice.
Great vision.
That was
Angie.
good, yeah.
Yeah, that was good.
Great vision.
Thank you, Gloria. Lucy.
You can do it. Go with her. Go. Nice one, Eva. I'm here.
Oh, sorry, Maria. Thank you. Qué buena defensa. Mia. Oh, maybe not.
Good one, Zane. You're taller than her.
Have it back. Grab Lucy there. No. It didn't go in.
Cyan, great defense.
Good steal.
Well
Why
done.
weren't you doing that at your game when I went to see you?
Because you were there. Go for it. Bring it.
Fuera de broma. Con esa.
I didn't kick hard because that would always fail. Every time I kick hard, it fails, so I didn't do anything.